Alright boys and girls, welcome to Go On Guitar PAOLO Nutini, first time on this channel, with a cool song, Shine a Light. So this one is a 3-chord song, and you will have one kind of strumming pattern through the entire song. That's great. Let's start this one up with no capo. No need for any capo on this one. And the chords we're going to use are A, D, and G. So the A sounds like that. So open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. The next chord is D. So that is open D, second G, third B, and second E. And the final chord will be G. So that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. Alright, so there we have it, okay? So let's look at the verse play. We have the first chord A, and we have a strumming pattern that will work through the entire song. So we will use just downs for this one, and one round of the strumming pattern will be down, 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 and you will not emphasize the third down. So you're gonna play more on the bass strings for the first, the second, and the fourth, but when you come to the third, you're gonna hit the top strings more. So one round slowly will be like this. So bass, bass, top, bass, 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 top, bass, 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 top, bass, 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 top, bass. Yeah, so that will give you more variation here in the sound. And yeah, you have a beat that comes on the third down as well. So in that way, you get a little bit more color to your strumming. So bass, bass, top, bass, that is one round, it's 4 downs. So when it comes to the verse play, you're gonna play 4 strumming rounds for A, that means 16 downs. So 16 downs on A, or 4 strumming rounds. Then you shift to D and play 2 strumming rounds, or 8 downs for D. And the same goes with the G. 8 downs or 2 strumming rounds. So that is how you play in the verses. So one chord progression round of A16, D8, and G8 will be like this. 2, 3, 4, and then D, 2, and G. So that is one round, and again. Simple. Alright, so that is how we play the verses. Now it's even easier when it comes to the choruses. You're gonna play the A to D only. Alright, so you're gonna play 4 strumming rounds or 16 downs for A, and 4 strumming rounds and 16 downs for D. So a couple of rounds of A16, D16 will be like this. Alright, and that pretty much covers PAOLO Nutini's Shine a Light. So a great and very easy song to learn, a great way of getting going with the guitar if you haven't played that much. It's very common chords, A, D, and G, just downs, and it's not that fast either, so you have control through the entire song. So that's a great starting song from PAOLO Nutini. So good luck with this one, guys, and play tuned.